The province of Ontario continues to endure ongoing winter storm conditions that have marked the end of December with persistent lake-effect snow and dangerously cold temperatures.
Holy Jesus. Oh, the wind is nuts. Look at that.
A strong Arctic air mass remains entrenched over the region, forcing daytime highs to stay below freezing and wind chill values to plunge further into bitter levels.
Oh, it's unplugged. I'm not touching that now.
These frigid conditions are not expected to ease in the immediate future, and they are contributing to continuously fluctuating travel and road conditions across southern and central parts of the province. Bands of lake-effect snow squalls continue to push inland from the Great Lakes, creating rapidly changing whiteout conditions that make driving hazardous. Motorists on highways and secondary roads are encountering sudden bursts of heavy snow accompanied by strong gusts that reduce visibility to near zero within minutes. Snow belts stretching from London and Kitchener-Waterloo to Barrie and surrounding areas are repeatedly brushed by narrow but intense snow bands, making it difficult for drivers to maintain safe speeds or clear vision while on the road. Alongside the heavy snow, powerful winds have battered communities, knocking down tree limbs and contributing to scattered power outages. Tens of thousands of residents lost electricity as ice accumulated on branches and snapped lines, and crews are still working under difficult conditions to restore service. In some areas, more than 1,000 customers remain without power as restoration efforts are slowed by snow-covered roads and continuing storm activity.
Just walking to Signora Louise's house. This is crazy. This is crazy.
The aftermath of seasonal systems that swept through over recent days still affects transportation networks. Long stretches of major highways in northern Ontario remain closed due to hazardous conditions, and local road information services warn of additional closures or restricted access as snow drifts build up. In the city centers of southern Ontario, snowplows are working around the clock, but drifting snow and fresh accumulation hinder clearing operations and slow traffic flow. Freezing rain pockets have also been reported across parts of eastern Ontario, adding another layer of danger to an already complex winter situation. In these zones, surfaces have become coated with a thin veneer of ice that refreezes overnight, creating slick conditions on sidewalks, bridges, and overpasses. Pedestrians and drivers alike are urged to take extra caution, with many regions under special weather advisories for both blowing snow and freezing precipitation. Environment officials have emphasized that these conditions, driven by persistent lake enhancement and sustained cold, will likely continue through midweek before a gradual pattern change might bring some temporary relief. Despite isolated breaks in snow intensity, temperatures are forecast to remain well below seasonal averages, prolonging the presence of icy road surfaces and hazardous travel. Weather forecasting models indicate that while the lake-effect snow bands will weaken, they are expected to continue contributing measurable snowfall totals through the next couple of days. Residents in affected communities have been advised to postpone any non-essential travel and to keep emergency kits in vehicles if travel is absolutely necessary. These kits should include blankets, food, water, and items to aid in visibility and warmth during sudden stops or delays. Local authorities continue to monitor conditions closely and issue regular updates as patterns evolve, with particular attention given to overnight and early morning travel periods when visibility and traction are most compromised. Public transit services in larger urban centers are adapting schedules and routes in response to the storm, with some adjustments to frequency and stops to ensure safety. Transit agencies report that buses and trains are operating with caution, and riders are reminded to allow extra travel time and check service alerts before departing.